Okay, in this video, we're going to show you how to import and export the settings from one NVR to another unit. This would be useful if you have a couple different units at one location, or if you simply want to back up your settings and get a replacement unit for any reason, then this would be the easiest way to back up and then import those settings into the replacement unit. So you want to go to maintain and then backup. This will read the USB that's in the drive. And then all you do is you export those settings down here with this button. Once the settings have been exported, you can pull that USB drive out. Once you put that USB drive in another unit, you can do the same steps, but you can import those settings with the configuration file, which should be labeled as an XML file. So that's a configuration file, so then you can import. So if you have multiple systems, or if you have one as a backup, you can mirror the settings from one to the other. Then that way you really don't have to set up the one unit, and you don't have to set up the motion and the recordings and everything else on every unit that you have.